Hello and welcome to Industrial Light and Plastic. Today we're going to look at a question I get asked all the time. Just what can you make with a 3D printer? Before we get into that, I just wanted to take a bit of time just to thank everybody for making the first week of this channel so awesome. It's been amazing to see the number of views, the comments, the subs, the likes, all the good stuff. So thank you everybody, and please feel free to keep the comments coming and the tips and suggestions as well. Really appreciate that. So, what can you make with a 3D printer? Well, it's more of a question, what can't you make with a 3D printer? There's almost anything that you can imagine. Chances are somebody already has designed it and uploaded it onto Thingiverse or Prusa Printers or Cuts3D or any of the other sites out there, and most of it is actually available for free. Although, to be fair, if you have a really good model, for example the Mandalorian behind me, it's a no-brainer just to pay a nominal fee to have the files to download. 3D printing doesn't have to be for cosplay or display. It can actually be a very practical hobby as well. In fact, there are several prints that I use every single day, or if not directly use, certainly count on them being there. Let's just take one area for example, gardening, something I have absolutely no interest in whatsoever. However, you have fancy plant pots, smart plant pots, group plant pots, even a roctopus. Okay, roctopus doesn't really have anything to do with anything really, but it's a roctopus. Why? Why not?